heat wave alert. Heat wave to severe heat wave conditions are likely to continue across the plains of northwest and central India this week. Take precautions and look out for vulnerable people around you. Safety tips. Drink plenty of water. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Wear light-colored, loose cotton clothes. Avoid going out between 12 p.m. 4 p.m. Eat hydrating fruits like watermelon, cucumber, and oranges. Avoid alcohol, caffeine, and heavy meals in extreme heat. Stay indoors or in shaded by cool places whenever possible. Take extra care of children, elderly, and pets. Subscribe for more updates. Thanks.